Hard inquiries. The goal of this video is to get you to understand that hard inquiries are necessary for increasing your pool of money. And increasing your pool of money is important so when it comes time to make a play, you have access to money to make that play. Because nothing is worse than being unprepared because opportunities strike at any time. And it's not about scrambling to get things done when that moment comes. It's about being prepared, right? Fortune favors the prepared. So, what is your goal? Benny, the goal is to get rich. I want to make money. Boom, you're in the right video. Hard inquiries are an entrance fee to increasing that pool of money, right? So, if you want to apply to rent a house, they're going to want first month's, last month's, and a security deposit, right? There is an entrance fee to anything that's notable in order to keep you honest in what it is that you seek. So we have to understand that. So if you want to increase your pool of money that you have access to, you are going to have more hard inquiries. So now that we understand the entrance fee in relation to hard inquiries, we know that we are going to be inquiring often. So our credit score in the hard inquiry section is going to likely be in the yellow or red, as it should be. That means you're doing something good if you are doing it properly. Now, hard inquiries don't destroy your credit score, right? You want to focus on the juicy parts like payment history and credit utilization. So, something that I love, and you're going to see me reference it a lot because it is relative to almost everything in life, is the J-curve, right? So, your credit score is right here. You inquire for a credit card, they run your report, boom, you get approved. Congratulations, that's the best thing. Even though your credit score went down, you now have another card, you have more payments on your payment history, your credit utilization will go down as a percentage. We'll go over that. So, your score dips, right? Because you have a hard inquiry and your average age of accounts decreases. So, immediately your credit score is going to go down. Now, hard inquiries dissipate over the course of 2 years, and as that time goes on, they mean less and less and less. Now, I don't want to get too much into the nuances, but there are tactics behind when you should use your hard inquiries, but right now, we're just going on the general principles of hard inquiries. I'll touch on everything at a certain point. So, your credit score decreases. Now, over time, it's actually going to increase because of this hard inquiry. Why is that? So, you get your hard inquiry, your average age of accounts goes down. Now, you have more payments under your payment history. Your credit utilization as a percentage goes down because you just added to your total credit availability. So, if you have $1,000 outstanding and a total credit limit of $5,000, you're at 20%. But now if you got approved for this and it adds $5,000 to your total credit, your credit utilization goes from 20% to 10%. So that'll go up. And over time, your average age of account is actually going to be pulled up because every account matters in that average. So the more accounts that you bring on, the more weight they hold, and as they increase, when you bring another account on, that new account is going to mean less. And for an ideal credit score, you want to have at least 21 plus total accounts. So you're adding to that. So, boom, 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 boom. And then over time, as they grow, more payment history, you're going to go up and up and up. So don't let people scare you with these hard inquiries. The important part about this video of hard inquiries is not so much increasing your score over time, even though that is a factor of this. The goal is for you to understand that you need to take hard inquiries to get approved for credit cards that are going to enhance your business, that are going to increase your access to money, right? Because the more money we have, when that opportunity comes, we can make that play. That's going to be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Done.